Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will do the remaining part of elevation. So let's get started. Here you can see on this door, this is the line, okay, this is the ending line of this wall. So I can just see up to this level. So I want to delete this part of the door as well. So I want to just delete this one, okay, with E, and I will trim this one, okay, this TR enter, then I will trim this one. Okay, now I will just delete this line, okay, and I will hit E. Okay, now I want to just close this one from this point to this point, MA. Okay, I will match this with this one. Okay, now you can see this T2. Now we have done up to this level. Okay, now what I will do, I will just give the height of this house. So I will go here, I want to check this one, what is the height. So internal height is 3000 millimeters. So what I will do, I will go here, enter 3000. Okay, I will hit enter. Now I will just give this point and this point. Okay, now I just want to add the thickness of slab as well. So let me check that, what is the thickness of slab. So thickness of slab is 100 mm. Okay, so enter 100 mm, enter, and I will give this point. So this is a slab, TR enter. I will delete this one, and delete both of these. I will delete these one as well. Okay, now this is what front elevation is. Okay, now what I will do, I will just move this one from this point to this point, okay, little bit down, and I just want to delete this. For example, this is the slab, so I will just delete from here. Okay, this, because this is the mumti on these stairs, so I will delete this one. Okay, now I want to just show the stair steps here as well. Okay, like this. Okay, now this is the ending point of the stair, so on slab. Okay, now what I have to do here is, let me check this one. Yes, okay, I will just stop it here. Okay, this is the ending point, and I will match this one with wall. Okay, now let me just delete this line as well. From here I will delete this one. So what I want here is, I want to show parapet. Okay, like you can see here, this is the parapet, and the height of the parapet is, total height from this level to this level, okay, is 3000. So height of the parapet is 900 mm. Okay, so I will go again here, enter 900 mm, enter. Okay, then I will give this point. So this is the height of parapet. I want to connect this one up to this level. Now we have to just show the mumti as well. So I will go here, and this is the mumti. Okay, so let me check what is the height of mumti. So from here the total height is 5600 from the base point. Okay, 5600. So this is the reference. Okay, enter 5600, enter. Now I will give this, and this is the second point. Now I want to connect this line, EX, enter. I will connect this one and this one as well. So this is the ending point of this wall here. Okay, now I will just delete this line. I want to delete this one. Now I have to just give the width of the mumti as well. So let me check what is the width. So from external point to the external point is 251250. Okay, 0.50, 2512.50. Enter 2512.50, enter. Okay, from this point to this point. Okay, now let me just delete this part of the parapet. Okay, let me just delete this one as well. Okay, now there is no need to show these walls. Okay, thickness of these walls we can show in section as well. So I will just trim this one, I will extend this one up to this level. Okay, this level I will just still trim from this. Okay, so I will just delete this one, so it will look like real. Okay, now we have just this mumti as well, mumti. Okay, now this is the parapet. Okay, now I will just delete this line up to this level, TR, enter, and I will delete up to this level. Okay, up to this level, and I want to delete this one as well. So this is what front elevation of this house. Okay, So let me check what I have to insert here in other thing. So I'm not just showing the thickness of this as it is showing here, because we can show this in section as well, so there is no need. So I will just give the dimensions here. So let me just check this one. Okay, what I want here, I want to just create some of the layers. For example, I want to create one layer, that is what parapet wall. Okay, so I will go here in layer. Okay, I will just go here, insert, and I will write here parapet wall. Okay, now I will just give a color to it. So yellow color is okay, so there is no need to change the color, but I want to just keep it in layer. Okay, so I will just select from here as. Now what I will do, I will just give this as a parapet wall. So I will just select this one, I will go into the parapet wall. Okay, I will select this one. Now this is the parapet wall. Now I want to just give here line, so I will just keep it as it is, and then I will give another line here. Okay, I will select this one, I will select parapet. Okay, this should be in layer. Okay, so this is parapet wall, and I want to trim this one as well. Let me just check this one. Yes, okay, and this is the column here. Okay, you can see this column as well. So let me just give the dimensions here. So I will select the dimensions from here. I will select this one, DAL. Okay, I will give this from internal. Okay, so this is 3000. So let me just give the height of this slab as well. Okay, and from this point to this point as well. Okay, let me just give the this one as well. Okay, and I want to just give, so let me check this one. Yes, 7800 millimeter, it is okay. Let me just give this one as well. Okay, this is half wall, so 1500 millimeter. So we are done by this. Okay, I want to just insert some text as well. Okay, copy, and I want to write here front elevation. Okay, let me just off the ortho mode, and I want to write here front elevation. What? Front elevation. Front elevation. Okay, so this is the method that how we can just draw a front elevation. You should have the base knowledge regarding drawings. Okay, what is section, what is elevation, and what is plan. Okay, that is very must. Then you can draw anything. Okay, and imagination process should be also strong, that you can imagine that how it will be look like in your brain. Okay, so that is all about this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.